Went on a walk in Las Vegas. Me and my buddies had a very nice time. We saw the strip and the casinos. We didn't lose any money and our feet were fine. It was a very nice time. We had a very nice time walking in Las Vegas. We did the whole tour of Las Vegas. Not many people do that, we were so surprised. We saw the Strip and Fremont Street too. We really got our steps in and I had a nice time. Oh, it was a very nice time. And we had a very nice time walking in Las Vegas. Just had a walk in Las Vegas. Most people don't do that, but we did just fine. We had a great time out in Vegas. We really enjoyed our time. That's why I make this rhyme, 'cause it was a very nice time. We had a very nice time walking in Las Vegas. We had a very nice time walking in Las Vegas.